Hello everyone, I'll show you a vegetarian kimchi recipe that you can make easily with green cabbage and regular chili powder. Take one whole green cabbage. Cut off the hard parts as shown in the video. Cut into chunks. Separate the leaves. Transfer the chopped cabbage into a larger bowl. Add 4 tablespoons salt. Mix until all the cabbage leaves are coated with the salt. Cover and let it rest for 3 to 4 hours. Now take 1.5 tablespoon rice flour. Add 1 cup water. Mix well. Cook for a couple of minutes on low heat while whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Add 1.5 tablespoon sugar. Whisk everything well and cook until you get a creamy texture. Once the rice porridge is ready, keep aside and let it cool completely. Now let's prepare the spicy paste for marinating kimchi. Pause the video to follow the measurements of the ingredients. Add onion, green onion bulbs, garlic, ginger, prepared rice porridge, smoked paprika powder. It's okay if you don't have paprika powder, simply use red chili powder, it works fine. Add some soy sauce and salt. Blend into a smooth paste. After 4 hours, the cabbage leaves have softened. Drain the salty water. Wash the cabbage with fresh water for 4 to 5 times to remove the salt. Drain all the water. Add 1/4 cup spring onion greens and prepared marinade. You may add julienne carrot and radish at this stage. Mix until all the leaves are coated with the prepared chili paste. This is vegetarian version of kimchi made with easily available ingredients from the kitchen. I make this all the time. It's flavorful and delicious. Transfer into an airtight container. Let it ferment on the kitchen counter for 1 day, then refrigerate. This kimchi can be stored up to 2 months in refrigerator. Enjoyed the video so far? Quickly hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel. Do try this flavorful veg kimchi recipe and share your feedback in the comment section below.